all, greetings for the day. Today I am super excited because this is a very special project that I am going to share with you all. I am very proud of it and I can definitely say that this one is one of my favorite projects yet. This is my first ever travel themed scrapbook and I think I have done a pretty good job. We have recently launched our own cardstocks and I have used our own craft paper to make this album majorly. The customer wanted it to be very subtle and that it doesn't have any pattern papers, which was a task, but I love challenging myself with newer things, hence I took up this opportunity and I am so glad that I did. This book is to record the travel journey of 3 years all over India. I have marked the locations with images as shown in the video on the cover. I earlier made a different cover for this as the customer wanted it, but that didn't fit well, so I had to redo it and then I made this one, which I can say I am more biased towards. This is a scrapbox concept which I have done earlier already for a baby album. This album has 3 partitions based on the ears and that I have done with the help of plain vellum sheets. These partitions have map on top like this first one with location marks, and on the back side I have labeled them as well according to the color in front. There is a lot of detailing in this project that shall demand your attention completely and I am very excited to share them now. Starting with 2017, there are 4 locations. First being Mumbai. There is a pocket card in front. On opening inside it, there is a pocket page which contains all inserts. There is also a cute little embellishment that I made on the pocket. Next is Gujarat, where I have frayed the edges of images just to give some detailing and a different look. Followed by Rajasthan. Here I have used the image of Hawa Mahal on the background and I so loved this layout. The side flap opens up and there is a pocket I have left as an envelope to add any notes or memories from the location. Next up is Delhi there, and I have used India Gate to give a theme to the location. Then we move on to 2018, where we have 6 different places. First is Bangalore. This is an interesting page because here I have used the flap on side has cute embellishments, Bangalore map as a pocket. Top banner has this torn vellum look which I am so in love with. The next is Hampi, where I have used half of the page with the image and on the top I have placed the pictures in a way that it can complement the whole setup. The next page is a double pocket page for Gokarna. Here I have done something very unique. So when all the inserts are removed, you can see a complete picture. Isn't that cool? I was so happy to come up with this idea. Next is Goa and Udupi. Both of them were beach oriented, so I have made the layouts complementing each other with sort of wavy corners made with vellum sheets and white cardstock. In the last location from this year, Wayanad, I have used the waterfall image in the background. This one opens up and has a space inside to write any message or memory. And it's 2019 and there are 2 locations as marked. The first location, that is Assam and Meghalaya, had over 100 pictures to accommodate and so I used 2 pages for this one. On the first side there are flaps which are held together with a thread closure and on the end there is an envelope for any messages or notes. The other side has a flap on top with a very cute embellishment that I made. This flap also has a pocket where there are inserts. and on lifting it up, there is an envelope on the back side of this flap, and below also there is a pocket which I have cut in mountain shape, and I chose this pattern paper accordingly that can complement the look. The last page is Aurangabad, and here also I have given frayed look to the images so that it can give an antique kind of vibe. And that is all about this travel book. I really hope you guys enjoy this concept and going through all the details with me. I cannot choose which one is my favorite layout, but if you can, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and also do mention your views on this album. I will see you with more projects in the coming future, and until next time, goodbye.